Hey, Mattias here. Okay, so Bitwig 6 is just around the corner and we have the beta out at the making of this video, and there's been a ton of questions regarding is there coming a new Bitwig 6 course? The original Bitwig Masterclass I did and the Bitwig Ambient Master as well as the Bitwig Grid Unlocked course has been a huge success, thanks to everybody who purchased the courses. So I want to reach out to you and hear how the interest is for a new Bitwig 6 dedicated course. Now, should we do that as a masterclass or a bite-sized episodes, or do you have some other suggestions? Are there certain workflows you want me to go through, or certain dedicated features in Bitwig you should look more at? Let me know here in the comments. Now, I've been thinking about creating this also as an early access course, and as I've been talking about that people who join in on my Patreon on a one of the higher tiers, they will get full access to all my courses over at Morning Dew Media Education. And I've also started doing this cinematic music course on the Patreon, which is accessible to every Patreon. So even if you're only at $2 per month subscription on my Patreon, and you will get access to the cinematic course. And I'm also gonna put the cinematic course up as a separate course on Morning Dew Media Education, so you can have everything collected in the same nice and sweet platform. If you're all new to my courses over at the Morning Dew Media Education, you find them at edu.morningdewmedia.com/products. And here we can see the Bitwig Grid Unlocked course, there's the Bitwig Ambient Master course, a Music Theory for Beginners course, and we also have the original Bitwig Masterclass. So let's head into the Bitwig Ambient Master course. And there you can see some information about the course, and if you scroll down a bit you can see the exact episodes included in the course. You'll find some sweet reviews and testimonials, so you can know what other users think about the courses. And there's also some free episodes that you can access via the course outline chapters. So let's head into this course. So in the courses you will find the course menu to the left side, and here we can find all the different chapters included in this course. And you can also see the length of the different episodes. And there's some additional information in each episode aside from the videos. At the top you can see your course progression. I'm 100%, so I finished this course. And on the start page here, or overview page, you also get to see the different project files which you can download specific to this course. And different audio files and samples, and a Discord channel invite for further discussion, and also some free plugin tips. And if you head over to my courses page, you can see your course progress, you can see how many chapters there are and how many you've completed, you can see your XP earned. You earn XP by watching different episodes, and when you finish one of our courses you also get a certificate of completion, which might look something like this. But so let me know what your feelings and thoughts are about an upcoming Bitwig 6 course, because I want to check out to see how the interest is out there, and if you'd like me to make a new dedicated Bitwig 6 course. So that's about it for today. Again, make sure you check out my Patreon, patreon.com/Gelhain, because you get tons of behind the scenes stuff. You also get that cinematic course, which is stuff that I don't really talk about or deal with in my regular videos, but stuff that I know a lot of people will have value from, no matter what kind of music you create, or what kind of genre, or if you're making game music, film music, if you're making pop or rock or hip hop or metal or anything. So yeah, that's just the stuff I want to talk about today. Let me know in the comments what you think, and catch you in the next video. Bye!